It's only one working. This is new.
Cool.
The elevator is still the same, that's what I can tell. What? Are these working? Yeah, it is working. Why is this one not working? Yeah, that one's broken. Left one's broken.
I wonder if they're...
One of them broke down. Just stand here and make sure the elevator's here.
Okay.
Don't see the view anyways. They're still upstairs.
Gotta wait for the elevator down?
Yeah. It's stuck on upstairs. It's renovating upstairs. Wow. New atrium. Wow. It's coming down now. Stop at 1. Well, me taking 1. I don't think we're able to do 2. It's coming now.
Oh yeah.
One of them's broken. Oh boy.
Sounds squeaky.
What?
Sounds kind of squeaky.
Still old system. Because one of them broke. Oh. Get in, right there. Excuse me. No, we have to stay, go up all the way first. It's up to you. What do you want to do? You want to stay? Oh. New atrium. We're stopping every floor. Yeah, come on, hold the door, please. Yeah, we're going back down actually after this. Musky Hall change.
How about we see what's on the top floor first before we go back down?
You can go up there. I'm gonna go back down and then go back up again.
Okay.
You wanna go out here and then I'll come back up?
Yeah.
I can go back
Sounds
up here.
good.
Could be. Going down? Come on. Unfortunately, only one working. What for? This atrium's nice. Darn, there's only one working. The left one's broken. Those lights are new. It wasn't there before. Are we going to keep stopping at every floor? Yes, we are. Darn it. Are we stopping at every floor? Because one of them broke. If it was two of them working and everyone else like this. Why get rid of the other one? That's nice. New lights. Multicolors. Just come in because it's going to go up anyways. One of them's only this one working. The other one's not working. What for?
2.
This one's only one working.
Wait.
This one broken. Left one broke. This car broke. This one's broke.
Yeah.
It sits at B and how come it's not open? Darn it. Good. Time to close the door. Switch sides on this side. At least it's glass. Facing the city, maybe.
What? Yeah, apparently, so they had, in the computer lab, they had wireless, like...
No, geez, no.
Oh, thanks. They had wireless Apple mouse, mice mouse. You know those ones? Yeah. And then my friend, who was like, he went to the admin and was like, if you have these high school kids, are gonna steal it if they're wireless. And they were like, oh, really? And then he was like, it's in Mississauga. So then I think they're gonna switch him out.
Yeah, you're set before. Go ahead. This is always very busy. Go ahead, have a good day. Why are we stopping every darn floor? We're end upstairs, actually. We're be making stops now. We're going up now. Where did she go? Hi, come on. What for you want?
The next door.
Oh my god. Yeah, my husband. Nice atrium. These lights are new. It wasn't there before.
Yeah.
Why are we keeping these two now?